May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm also fit and fine. Please take a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, which vehicles did you come here?
I came by car.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
drive a car?
Yeah, I can.
Wow, good. So, would you like to take coffee or tea?
No, ma'am. Thank you for asking.
Okay. So, are you comfortable?
Yes, ma'am. I'm comfortable.
May I take your resume?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
So now we can start your interview.
Yeah, sure.
Tell me something about yourself.
Okay, ma'am. So my name is Nikita Beniwal and I'm from Josri, Didwana, Kuchaman, and my
Yeah.
father is a farmer and my mom is a housewife. And I have completed my 10-12 from RBC board and I have a degree in hotel management and I also have a certificate in customer service skills. And my short-term goal is that I want to be master in all skills which make a significant role in my career. And my long-term goal is that I want to get a leadership position where I can
Good.
mentor others and I can contribute for company's strategy. So ma'am, it's all about me. If you want ask anything, then you can ask.
Good, Nikita. So where did you get from your certificate?
I got from the hotel school Delhi.
So Nikita, tell me something about your village.
Okay, ma'am. Firstly, thank you for asking about my village. So, ma'am, my village is very small. Even then, we have all the facilities. And a good thing about my village that is, everyone have a positive attitude, and they are always ready to help each other. So, it is very good thing about my village.
Tell me about your hobbies.
My hobbies are playing badminton and reading books.
So Nikita, why do you want to work for our hotel as a receptionist?
So, ma'am, I think there are lots of reasons why I want to work for your hotel. So, top first reason is that the levels of your service which you provide, it's amazing.
Yeah.
And the reviews left by customers and visitors, it's very good and positive.
Okay.
And I also want to work for a hotel where I can put my skills in a good use. And my second reason is that the hotel is local to where I live, so it can be easy for me work in hours. And sometimes like hotel require extra support, then I can easily do for hotel. And the last not the least, your hotel run extremely very well. So I would like to work
Nice.
for your hotel.
Well, so what are the strength and weakness?
One of my greatest strengths is to stay organized and manage multiple tasks effectively. And my weakness is that, ma'am, I always want to help others, but sometimes
Okay.
it goes wrong. Like people put all the burden on me, but I always ready to take responsibilities.
Yeah,
Because-
sometimes it's happen.
yeah, because I also learning a lot of things from these mistakes.
So why do you help them again and again?
So, ma'am, according to me, if we make mistakes, then we also learn lot of things from these mistakes. And I think these mistakes make even better. That's why I help them again and
I
again.
think you are right. So
Yeah.
can you, how many languages can you speak?
I can speak 4 languages.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. French, German, English, and Hindi.
Nice. So how we can say how are you in German?
In German, we say that we get us dare.
Nice. So Nikita, do you have any experience in this field?
Sorry, ma'am, I don't have any experience in this field. I'm a fresher candidate.
Okay, no problem. So how would you handle a situation where a guest is very rude?
Okay, ma'am. So, according to me, in this type of situation, we need patience, professionalism, and
Yeah.
effective communication skills.
Yeah.
So, in this type of situation, my first step would always be to calm and listen to their concern and complaints.
Okay.
After that, I will try to help them, because ma'am, sometimes people only need someone to to vet their frustration.
So what is your process for handling multiple tasks at once?
So, ma'am, first of all, I will give priority these tasks which one has immediate require. And if someone don't have immediate require, then I will convince to them. After that, I will make a to-do list and I will complete my all tasks before their deadlines.
So how do you handle stress and pressure in you're working hard?
So, ma'am, firstly, I will make a plan. So,
Mhm.
having a plan, it helps me to focus and get it, ready for take challenges.
Okay.
And if possible, then I also would like to take short breaks
Mhm.
to refresh and rejuvenate myself.
Good, good.
And I also will practice for exercise like deep breathing exercise
Super.
to maintain calmness and stressful situations.
If a guest continuously rudely behaves, so what will you do?
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, if a guest continues to behave rudely, so I politely explain to him or her your current behavior is not acceptable because
Okay.
it also affecting other guests.
Yeah.
Because, ma'am, it is important for maintain a personal schedule, and maybe it reflects on hotel image.
Yeah.
And if necessary, then I would involve hotel management and security.
Yeah, you are right. Which of your qualities do you feel like is most useful for this role?
So, ma'am, I think my positive attitude and desire to help others.
Okay.
I feel it is very useful to this role.
Mhm.
And another is I have a strong communication skill.
Nice.
And I think, ma'am, I also have a set of qualities: flexible approach,
Okay.
customer service skill,
Mhm.
and I have also calmness and patient. So I think it is very
Okay.
helpful for this role.
So Nikita, according to you, what is the meaning of customer service? Like, what is the customer service?
So, ma'am, I think in customer service, how we can impress a guest,
Mhm.
and I think we should make a friendly environment for their stay,
Yeah.
and we solve their problems.
Yeah.
Firstly,
Mhm.
that's it.
So how would you impress a guest to come back our hotel?
So, ma'am, according to me, a warm and welcoming attitude make an
Mhm.
impression for guests.
Mhm.
And I also focus on providing exceptional service and
Mhm.
personalizing interaction and offering incentives for future stay.
Superb.
And I also make a friendly environment for them. I always ready to them, and I think it is also important for
Mhm.
in touch.
Yeah.
I also send to them thank you email for in touch, and I also ask for feedback.
So what's your salary expectations?
I think, ma'am, it's depend on my skills and experience. Even I have all the qualities which all need as a receptionist. So
Great.
I want full salary which you mentioned.
So after 5 years, where you want to see yourself?
So, ma'am, after 5 years, I want to see myself a general manager post where I can put all skills and experience for a good use, and where I can train all employees and I can manage hotels strategy.
Do you have any question for me? Do you want to ask any question?
Yes, ma'am, I have a question. Can you suggest me what is my drawbacks?
Okay, I think you should improve your communication skills. Like you
Okay.
have to work on that, and a little bit you need to improve your body language.
Okay, ma'am.
And like everything is all right and all good about you, and that's it.
Thank you, ma'am, for suggestion.
Okay, thank you so much, Nikita.